Kind of the saying here is you learn only so much in the classroom, and being out in the field you see so much more of like a day-to-day aspect.
Those connections that you build, like they're just handed to you. There's so many opportunities here to meet with industry.
College of Engineering does a great job of promoting, getting internships, and gaining that valuable work experience.
With UNL, I was able to get an internship with Kiewit through the career fair.
I started my internship the summer after my freshman year, and I've continued with the same company the last 4 years.
Being able to go out onto site and see what I was putting down on paper was actually being built.
Once you get one internship on your resume, it's usually not too difficult to keep that going.
I think almost everyone gets a job in the end.
It's pretty close to 100%.
A lot of it's a lot of networking, just getting to know people each and every day, talking to them.
I mean, it all leads up and it definitely prepares you for your future.
Teaching you what to expect from a real job.
Being here at UNL has been great for setting me up in that success. Very excited to start in the industry.